Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and use it as a rinse once a month. After you shampoo and before you condition your strands, to gradually brighten your color. Baking soda is an alkaline ingredient, and this will lift the cuticle of your hair, the part that protects your hue.
Let's help you make your mark.
Natural bleaching agents like apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, chamomile tea, or cinnamon and honey can lighten hair gently and naturally with minimal damage. Rinse your hair in a solution of warm water and one or more of these lightening agents, then sit in the sun to dry.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use a purple or blue shampoo twice a week to avoid brassy tones. A shampoo that is violet-toned will work to neutralize warm tones in your hair, such as yellows. A blue shampoo will neutralize orange tones.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It whitens hair by chemically reducing your hair's color pigment, or melanin. When exposed to the sun, the citric acid accelerates the bleaching process. The lightening effects of lemon juice tend to work best for lighter hair colors, such as blonde and light brown.
Take our lead.
How does baking soda lighten hair? While it's possible to lighten hair with baking soda, it's only effective under certain circumstances. Baking soda is an abrasive cleaner and a natural cleansing agent. Baking soda can lighten all hair colors, but it might take a few washes to get your hair to the desired color.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best natural hair lighteners to try now. Lemon juice. Chances are you have a lemon or two sitting in your fridge right now. Honey. Honey can also make a stellar hair lightening ingredient, but it takes a bit more time and effort than lemon juice. Apple cider vinegar. Chamomile. Salt. Baking soda. Henna powder. Cinnamon.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Lifting hair color at home is effective and more gentle on the hair and scalp. Wet the hair with water and lather with clarifying shampoo. Massage the shampoo into the hair from roots to ends to create a thick lather. Leave the clarifying shampoo on the hair for a few minutes, as it works to remove and lighten color.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.